What is an embedded system? Welcome everyone. Today, we'll be discussing embedded systems, what they are, how they work, and why they are so important in modern technology. Definition of embedded system. An embedded system is essentially a computer designed for a dedicated purpose. Unlike general-purpose computers such as laptops or desktops, embedded systems are built to perform one or a few specific tasks. They integrate both hardware and software to deliver fast, reliable, and real-time performance. Key features of embedded systems. Embedded systems stand out because of a few key features. They are task-specific, meaning they are optimized for a single function. They often need to operate in real time, which means responding instantly to inputs. Their compact size and low power usage make them efficient, while high reliability ensures they run for years without failure. Finally, they are usually cost-effective, making them widely applicable in consumer and industrial products. Examples of embedded systems. You can find embedded systems all around you. For instance, in household appliances like microwave ovens and washing machines, in automobiles for engine control and safety systems, in mobile phones, medical devices, and even large industrial machines. Essentially, any smart device has an embedded system inside. Components of embedded systems. An embedded system is made up of three main parts: the hardware, which includes microcontrollers, sensors, and actuators; the software, often referred to as firmware, which runs the instructions; and the input-output interfaces, which connect the system with the external world. Together, these elements allow the device to sense, process, and act. Applications of embedded systems. The applications of embedded systems span nearly every industry. In consumer electronics, they power our smartphones and smart TVs. In the automotive industry, they handle braking systems and navigation. In healthcare, they run pacemakers and diagnostic equipment. They are also key in industrial automation, telecommunications, aerospace, and defense. Conclusion. To conclude, embedded systems are the hidden intelligence behind countless devices. They make our world smarter, more efficient, and more reliable. Without them, many of the technologies we depend on daily would simply not exist.